Hi there, my name is Claudia Suriani, and right now I am going to present about my statistics data analysis that is entitled Student Learning Environment Preferences for Specific Course-Related Activities and Assignments. Here there are 4 subtopics. As you can see, the first one is the type of variable, the second one is the purpose and respondents, third one is data analysis, and the fourth one will be conclusion and implications. This data I retrieved from ECAR Study of Undergraduate Students and Information Technology 2019. As you can see from the title, it is a univariate variable because it consists of only one independent variable and there are no any other dependent variable along with it. The purpose of this study is to know how students prefer their learning environment. And for the respondents, there are 53,475 students from 160 institutions in 7 countries and 38 states in the USA or United States of America. So as you can see from this data, the writer has used 5 divisions which are completely online, blended and completely face-to-face, with the blended divisions also categorized into mostly online, half and half, and mostly face-to-face. For the colors, the author has used navy blue for completely online, which is okay. But for completely face-to-face and blended, the writer used red and yellow. So for completely face-to-face, the author could use more of a sky blue color because red here indicates as a negative statement, and yellow is more of a hesitant statement. So for the yellow one in blended division, the author could use green. And on the left hand side, there are 10 categories of activities, starting from labs or demonstrations to homework or assignment submissions. Here, labs or demonstrations, faculty or student conferences, lectures, and student presentation. The students prefer those activities to be done completely face-to-face, with ranging from 50% to more than 50%. And from asking questions to exams, quizzes, or tests, the students prefer those activities to be done blendedly with online and face-to-face. And for homework or submissions, the submitting the assignments here indicates that there are more than 75% of the students shows that for homework could be better done online. So from this data, I can conclude that for labs or demonstrations until students' presentation should be done completely face-to-face because the students will need clarifications for the deep explanations that the lecturers do. And then what I can infer, or what can be the implications from this data, is that the institutions and the lecturers can blend face-to-face activities for those 10 categories with completely online and face-to-face. So activities that needs clarifications need to be done completely face-to-face, but for homework or assignment submissions, the institution can provide a e-learning platform for the students to submit their assignments, so that enable the students to submit in a form of soft copy rather than hard copy, because that is more practical and the students don't have to attend campus to submit their homework or assignments, but rather than just submit it through online, which is more economical and practical. So that is all from my data reading or data analysis presentation. I apologize for mistakes that have been done, and thank you